National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Redwood County in southwestern Minnesota, southwestern Brown County in south-central Minnesota, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Walnut Grove, or 20 miles northeast of Slayton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Springfield, Walnut Grove, Lamberton, Comfrey, Sanborn, and Revere. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.